Hey everybody, it's Michelle from Cruisin with the Colemans, and we are at the Hershey RV show, and we are checking out Coachmen remotes today. This is a 17R. Let's go inside and take a look at what they've done this year. Welcome to my boudoir. This is the bedroom. Remotes are small, so everything's gonna be nice and cozy in here. But what I love about this rig is windows, storage, and layout. Okay, so on the camp side, we've got two great windows. Plus they've gone to the clear glass on the door, and all you have to do is add a thin shade, which is great because then I've got even more windows on the campsite. Then there's storage. This bed is amazing. Look at all that storage. I love it. We've got two open cabinets here, one on each side. We've got all this open storage up here. I love how much space there is to have all the stuff that you want to take with you on your adventure. Let's go into the kitchen and dining. Now that we're in the kitchen and dining area, you can see we've got cabinets up here. We've got two drawers, two cabinets. We've got a microwave, two burner stove. They've gone to this two burner stove so that you've got more counter space here. The sink is smaller, which I think works great. Not everybody loves the sink, but I think that it's deep enough, and I'm kind of picky about this. I feel like the sink works. If you don't like it, you can tell us about that in the comments below, but tell us what we could do in that space. There's only so much they can do to have counter space to keep this lightweight and short in space. We've got a place here for phones, whatever. Coming into the dining area, because this has the Super Solar package, which check it out, this is what the Super Solar package includes. The dinette does not have any storage underneath, but instead it has Super Solar. So we've got two 200-watt panels, we've got a 2,000-watt inverter, but we do have the cabinetry up above and this beautiful window, 12-volt fridge. It's a beaut. I like it. And a cabinet under here. Let's go into the bathroom. Okay, in the bathroom, toilet test, plenty of elbow room. And let's see, if I shut the door, I've got about 6 inches before my knees are touching. What?
You don't have 6 inches.
I do too. I do too. I have about 6 inches before my knees are touching. Listen, just leave the bathroom door open while you're going. Okay, shower. I'm 5'6", and I have plenty of headroom. When Brian's in here, he's a little bit closer, but you've got plenty of space in here. I love that this is a wide shower, right? And it's got that little bit of a lip, so like the shower. Over here, we've got plenty of cabinetry. Again, it's all about the cabinets. We've got this big open space here, and we've got a cabinet down below with one shelf, and then we've got two cabinets above. I think this is plenty of counter space for getting ready. Much better than some of the rigs that don't have any. Love it. Before we go, I want to tell you about one other thing that I really like about Coachmen. This is an upgrade since our 2017 Apex, and that is the Cross Flex roofing membrane. What I love about this membrane is it has a 15-year warranty. Give me anything that says that many years and I'm all in. But this membrane you cannot rip. They cut it, and I can't. We've tried. We've got the strongest people that we've seen it coming through the show try, and you cannot get this stuff to rip, which is great because a lot of us have had tree branches fall on our rig. If we're driving and there's low-hanging branches, they can snag a roof, but this roof membrane is not going to tear, and that's something that I really appreciate about Coachmen. They think about those details. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you check out our other videos in our Coachmen playlist. We've got a lot of remotes and Apexes from 2024, 2025, so you can see how they evolve and some changes. We'd appreciate any feedback you've got for us. We thank you so much for taking this adventure with us. We'll see you next time.